to my channel, girl. If you're new here, my name is Ashton. I do lifestyle, beauty, and perfume content. For the return of bestie, hey girl, what's the and besties? Y'all can tell, girl, we are doing my full Halloween / fall room tour, girl. Get into it, girl. My room theme for fall / Halloween is orange, pink, and white, girl. And of course, Halloween theme, but no talking, girl. Let's get to it. So right here, we got my pink mirror, which I have below it. And then we got my little keychains, my little German keychain thingies. Here, bestie, we got my pink and white room like picture thingy. And then right here, besties, y'all can tell we got some fall leaves all around there, bestie. Spa theme Halloween like spa bed. It's like a little ghost. It's so cute. Come down here, bestie, got my little candy store sign, which I actually bought from Target last year for like $5, girl. And look at it. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that, bestie, but it's colors, bestie. Like, it literally changes color. Like, it last year for like $5. And then, bestie, I am a germaphobe, girl, so we got my Bath & Body Works Champagne Toast Germans, girl. And then when you come to this side, we got my little Bath & Body Works Pumpkin Carving Shimmer Mist, girl, for like Halloween. And then we got another one, bestie, which this turns on as well, bestie. I'm gonna show you, bestie. That turns on as well, bestie. Here is giving like Halloween theme, girl. And then right here, we got my essential oil diffuser, girl, which I am an essential oil girl at heart. And then we have another picture. So I was trying to find like some like Halloween pictures that like was like this size, but I couldn't find none, bestie. So we just had to keep these, girl. And then my lights, bestie. So, bestie, my lights actually, I can control them from my phone. So, is you click this, you click that, my lights turn on. As y'all can see, my lights are turned on. When I click off, they turn off. Same with like my LED lights, bestie. I can turn them off right now. Okay, focus. Right now they're pink, and then I turn the switch off and bye, they're off. So we got my Xbox mounted. Then yeah, and then right here, this is like my Venti desk. We got some Germans, y'all. I'm a germaphobe. And Bath & Body Works Germans right here, bestie. And then right here, we got my little bubble skincare. I got a PR package and just some more perfume, bestie. And do we have a camera inside my room? This camera is like a little smart camera, girl. So yeah, and now for the best part, guys, I got these little like leaves, bestie, and everything will be linked down in the description box below, girl. These came from my Amazon last year for like $20, girl. It just screams fall, girl. So yeah. And then, bestie, this cute Halloween blanket came from Target for $10, girl. It was so cute, bestie. Onto my my bed, since like the theme is fall, Halloween, orange, pink, and white, my comforter set is still pink. And then down here we got this glow in the dark skeleton, which came from Dollar Tree, girl, just to add some more like details is key. Then my favorite pillow right now, it says, "Hey Pumpkin." That pillow came from Target for only $5, bestie. It's so cute. Then right here, bestie, we have my pink and white flowers, like right here, girl, just my pink and white flowers. And then onto my nightstand, my pink hydro flask, which I bought online from Dick's for like $35. And then this white pumpkin I bought last year from like Walmart, girl, with like my fan on. So yeah. And then we have my lamp right here. We got my Apple Watch and my Apple Watch charger. We got a little like mirror right here, which, hey. Now, on to my favorite part, that's like Halloween side. So, these lights actually came from Walmart for $3, girl. It just screams like Halloween. We got orange, we got, green, orange, and purple, girl. I love this now. Then over here, we got another white pumpkin, which came from Walmart. And some more fall, and then we got some more fall leaves around it, bestie. And then right here, this side came from Target. Or I could flip it to the back that says like Hello Fall. But I'm not a fan of that green, so I like this more. And then we got this little poison thing, bestie. This actually came from Dollar Tree, girl, for only $1. I love it now. It says poison. And then right here is like my perfume shelf, bestie. And I have my Halloween / fall candle. We got Wicked Vanilla Woods by Bath & Body Works, Cinnamon Stick, Ocean Street. Right here, we keep all of my Bath & Body Works body sprays at. Down here, we keep my iPad and my morning affirmation. And then this pumpkin I got from Target this year for only $5, girl, and it changes color, but it's pink and blue. We keep my books and my Bible. My favorite books are these books, bestie. Then down here, this hay came from Walmart last year for $10, girl. I will say it's very like messy, as y'all can see, but I love it now. That white pumpkin actually came from Walmart for $2. Crows, they came from Dollar Tree, and I took the little stem off and I put it down there. So I like this side, bestie, is super duper cute. Then right here, This sign, it says spooky. It came from Dollar Tree for only $1.25, girl. And then I put some more fall leaves right there just to like make it more fallish, girl. And then right here we got my mirror with like some more fall leaves. It just screams fall. Like I love like the whole fall vibe right here. And then right here is like Halloween and fall. Like I love this side down, bestie. It's so cute. Then down here, bestie, you got this sign. It says Spooky Street Haunted and Witch's Way. This came from Five Below for $5. I love it down. Like, I don't know y'all can see, like, got like the little, like, witch broom stuff. I feel like this sign is just so cute, bestie. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, girl. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the what? Bell, so you'll be notified every time your girl posts a new video. And bestie, I love you so much, bestie. And until next time, bestie. Bye, besties.